Hey everybody, welcome to another session of learning. Let's learn together. Last week we had a session on VLOOKUP Basic, wherein we learned what is VLOOKUP, why VLOOKUP is required, and how VLOOKUP can be used. We have learned about syntax of VLOOKUP. Then we also learned what is approximate match and what is exact match. Let's go to PowerPoint presentation to understand some basics about additional features of VLOOKUP. Okay, today's session 2, for those who have missed out the part 1 of this VLOOKUP, I will be putting I button on the top where you can click and go through that part 1 session of VLOOKUP. And I'll advise those who have missed out, first go through that so that it will be easier for you to understand this part 2. The topics today we will be covering is first match, multiple criteria, wildcard match, two-way lookup, and NA errors. First of all, what is first match? In Excel, where we use VLOOKUP searches for the first exact match or approximate match, whatever is coming. Here I have given a table where Ravi Kumar's name is appearing twice. This is the base data. Okay. And here Ravi Kumar's name is there. I want to find his age. By putting a standard VLOOKUP syntax or by using a standard VLOOKUP syntax, this VLOOKUP function will get you first match only. Even if I want to find out Ravi Kumar, who is from Delhi, what is his age, it will give you first match. We need not to worry, there is a solution for that. That is what we will be talking in the next slide, that is of multiple criteria. Before we go to next slide, two things are to be made clear. One thing is that VLOOKUP is not case sensitive. Capital letter, small letter, both will work. If it is in master data, it is small letter and you are searching a capital letter in your search, VLOOKUP syntax, there is no problem. And V stands for vertical in VLOOKUP. And now, what is multiple criteria? As I have told you that names are being repeated, product number may be also repeated, part number may be repeated, or employee code will be repeated, roll number is also repeated. In that case, what we have to do, we have to join this name, first name, second, last name, and city, and make one unique identity of each individual. Here in this case, Ravi Kumar from Patna, now his identity is Ravi Kumar Patna. Similarly, for Ravi Kumar from Delhi, his identity is Ravi Kumar Delhi. Using this function, this feature, we will be able to eliminate that errors or wrong information we get where there are repeated names. Next one is about wildcard match. In wildcard match, I have got partial information, or I know some person named in this example Deepak Tiwari, I know by his name as Deep. But in master data or base data here, which is shown here, it is shown as Deepak Tiwari, but I know you call it as a Deep. That also there is a no issue by using wildcard match. We'll talk about it when we go to Excel again. VLOOKUP can also do two-way lookup, vertically as well as horizontally, up to a limited extent. Here in this case, I have given a table wherein names are given of people and their attendance month-wise. January, February, March. Out of 31 days, how many days they were present. Now, example here I have given at the bottom, this Ravi, what was his attendance in the month of March? What was his attendance in the month of March? One is Ravi and March. Two information I have got. I want to find out what is his attendance for the month of March. So when we use two-way lookup, it will look for vertically as well as it will look horizontally. That's why it is called two-way lookup. Then there are certain things are there we get if the certain syntax is not correct, we'll get NA errors. Generally, NA errors are appearing in 5 cases. One is the lookup value does not exist in the table. The thing you are looking for, it is not there in the master data. So in that case, it will say, it will give you NA error. Secondly, the lookup value is misspelled or contains extra space. If the spelling is not correct or there is an additional space in that value, then you may not get the correct answer and you will get NA error. As I told earlier, VLOOKUP is not case sensitive, but the spelling, whatever you are putting, should be correct. Then instead of using match mode, I have put approximate mode. In that case also, I will get NA error. The table range is not entered correctly. There are 5000 line item. I am searching for a particular person, product, part, a student, and his name is not appearing in that master data. In that case also, I will get NA error. Then again, the table range is not entered correctly. Table range is not entered correctly. For example, there is a list master data of 1000 line item. When I am putting the VLOOKUP syntax, I have not chosen complete table. I have taken only partial. When I do a search or I want to find some detail of a person whose value is there and it is not part of that range selected, I'll get NA error. And lastly, you are copying VLOOKUP and the table reference is not locked. If you are copying VLOOKUP formula from one place, syntax from one place and pasting at another cell, that time also you will get either wrong answer or you will get NA error. To solve this problem, as we have done earlier, we have to use that dollar symbol. F4 we have given in that example in the last session. Here is the example I have given. For example, this is the master data and one person called Sushil. I want to find out his age. If his name is not there in this list, in that case I will get NA error. Even if his name is there in this list, if I have not selected a complete range, in that case also I will get NA error. Or I have spelled wrongly over here, then also I will get NA error. Or I am copying this formula from here and pasting somewhere else, then also I will get NA error. I hope it is clear so far. And to avoid this problem, there is a solution. We have to put if NA function before start of VLOOKUP syntax. Here I have given equal to if NA, standard VLOOKUP syntax, last, what you say that standard, lastly if NA, if this value of this VLOOKUP function is NA, then instead of writing giving the result as NA, it should return the value as not found. It is your choice, not I can put anything. If I put missing, then in that case it will show as missing, or absent, it will show as absent. There is a multiple data over here, same data is there, multiple people, some people's name is there, some people is not there. If it is not there, instead of NA, I'll get not found. I have put NA not found, so it will show not found. Okay, let's go to our Excel now. Here is the base data. Here is a base data of 5000 line item. We'll be using this phase data at the end of this once we cover other things like first match, multiple criteria, wildcard match, two-way lookup, and NA error. We'll do practice on this base data, having a 5000 line item. Now, as I explained, first match, always when we put any VLOOKUP function using a VLOOKUP function, it will give you the first match only. Here the example is here, Ravi Kumar, there are two, one from Patna, other is from Delhi. If I am looking for the age of a person from Delhi whose name is Ravi Kumar, in that case also it will give 20. So it looks for the first match. Solution, as I have told, is a multiple criteria. Now in this case, I have given multiple criteria standard syntax. Here slight change is there. Instead of value, I have to put this concatenate. I'll explain you before that. Example is given here. For time being, I'll hide this column over here. There is a table of people whose first name, last name, city and age is given. Ravi Kumar is repeated twice without using concatenate, using the standard things of syntax for VLOOKUP. I'll get first match. To avoid that, what I'll do before doing anything, I'll insert one column over here. I will concatenate, means I'll join these names. Satish Prasad Delhi. Satish Prasad Delhi. For doing that, what I'll do, for example, I'll do equal to this first Satish, then and Prasad and Delhi. What it has done, Satish Prasad Delhi, it has created a unique identity for this person. Now you have seen this Ravi Kumar here and Ravi Kumar Delhi. Now they are having their unique identity, Ravi Kumar Patna, Ravi Kumar Delhi. Similarly, instead of city, they have given some district name, school name, it will be joined over there. And once we have done this activity, I have to use this particular modified VLOOKUP syntax. I'll give you an example over here now. Example, this Ravi Kumar is there. I want it from Delhi, not from Patna. What I'll do, again, equal to VLOOKUP open bracket. VLOOKUP open bracket, Ravi, then I'll put and Kumar. I'm doing concatenate here again. And again Delhi, comma, table range you have to take complete, comma, I want age, so age is in the fifth column, 5, comma, 0, close the bracket. Here I have got 27. Now it is for Delhi, this person Ravi Kumar from Delhi, his age is 27. Instead of city was Delhi, I have put Patna. I'll get person from Patna's age. Here again you see it is not case sensitive. Here Patna is capital, P is capital, but I have not put. Though it is an example that it is not a case sensitive. If I would have put a space here, I will get an error. That again, that example. I remove space, I will get the age, exact age. We'll go to next topic, that is wildcard match. In wildcard match, I have got partial detail of a person. Here I have given an example, one person whose name is Deepak Tiwari in master data. But what information I have got, his name is Deep. Still I'll get exact match, right return, right result over here by using wildcard match. Wildcard match is nothing that you will put Deep. Okay, then this open quote, asterisk and close quote. I'll show you with an example here. Same this Deepak, okay, equal to VLOOKUP open bracket, this Deep partial. I need not put dollar because only one person is there here. Then and open quote, asterisk, close quote, comma, then table range, comma, age is there in fourth column, 4, comma, 0, I want exact match, close the bracket. Here I have got 24. I think it is very clear. Standard syntax is used. Instead of this value what we are doing earlier, we have put a wildcard. Wildcard match means I have put this thing extra, this much. And I can find out because I know partial name. I do not know. If I put only the standard syntax, I will get error. Yes. Now let us understand what is two-way lookup. Excel is having a feature that it can do two-way lookup by using match function nested in the syntax of VLOOKUP. Two-way lookup means it is looking up vertically as well as horizontally, but to certain extent. It will not look completely, it will look horizontally, and it is not an replacement for HLOOKUP. It has got certain limitations. Before we take and try to understand what is two-way lookup, let us understand what is match function, because match function will be using it in this two-way lookup. Match function is what? Basically, here you have seen a table given whose names are there and the attendance of these people month wise for January, February, March. This Satish was present for 23 days in the month of January, 23 days in the month of February, and 19 days in the month of March. Okay, now I want to find out for Ravi what was his attendance for the month of March. Yeah, there are two things are there, Ravi and March. So it has to look vertically, and Ravi vertically has to search, and he has to search horizontally for the month of March. Before that, this match function, what it will help us to find out the column. This March is existing in which column of this table. I'll show you with an example. Match, MATCH, open bracket, for March, among this, which column from this? Okay, then 0, close. I have got 4. 4 is the value, and it is in the 4th column over here. So same way, standard syntax for VLOOKUP will be there here up to here. Then I have to tell which column. When there are columns, 50, 60 columns, and I want to find out particular column, I need not to count. I have to tell what is the match. Okay, I will give you an example for this Ravi. What is the attendance for the month of March using that complete formula now. Yeah, I will show you with an example now how I will use this complete VLOOKUP function for two-way lookup nesting match function within it. I'll put VLOOKUP open bracket. I want to find Ravi's attendance for the month of March from this table. Okay, and for the sake of column, I want to find out March is in which column. So what I'll do, I'll put function match function over here, open bracket, select March, comma, and what is the column number among this one, comma, 0, close bracket, comma, 0, close bracket. So I have got 23 here. So it has asked searched vertically and horizontally for the month of March. So this Ravi for the month of March, his attendance was 23. I hope it is very clear now. Now let's go to another aspect of VLOOKUP. Now let us understand about NA errors. As I told earlier that NA errors appear due to 5 reasons. I'll repeat once again, the NA error appear when the lookup value does not exist in the table. If this is the table and I am searching for Sushil's name, if it does not appear in this table, it will give NA error. The lookup value is misspelled or contains extra space. Instead of putting Deepak, and I have put Deepak's S extra, or I have put extra space, then also I'll get an error. Again, instead of using exact match and I have used approximate match, in that case also I'll get an error. Again, if the table range is not entered correctly, I want that some complete table to be collected. Otherwise, if I have selected only this much, leaving 2 columns or 2 rows, then also I'll get an error. And if you are copying VLOOKUP and the table reference is not locked, you are copying this formula somewhere else, also that time also you get an error. And if you are locking the table reference, this particular table reference, this particular part table, you put dollar here, then in that case you will not get any error. Okay, with an example, I'll show you over here when this NA error comes. Again, same thing is given and a standard formula is there, NA error is found. Here, particularly if I am using this not found, instead of putting this not found missing, then I'll get missing. I'll show you with an example. Here I'll put again, here if you see not found, I am putting missing. In that case, I'll get missing. For all those people not found will be missing. So you can put anything, missing, absent, not available, whatever it is. I hope you have understood so far. We have covered first match, multiple criteria, wildcard match, two-way lookup, and NA errors. Now let us show with big file, huge file of 5000 line item. For practice purpose, I'll take this master data. Okay. Now let us work on this master data, sample data. This data is about 5000 line items, and I have taken some line items, few line items which is randomly picked up from that master data for our practice purpose. Now here in this list, all some columns are there, some details are available, but there is no detail of department. So in this master data, first of all, you have to check whether department details are available. Yes, it is available, and names are also available. So what I'll do, I'll put v loop up, open bracket, angel, comma, base data. I can select complete columns also. 8, comma 8, 8 column, comma 0. I want exact match. Here I have got the files, and this is, I can simply drag because I have taken the complete column. If I would have taken selected only the table like that, I have to put your dollar sign. But I have selected complete column. In that case, dollar sign is not required. I hope it is understood. Similarly, you can do VLOOKUP from one Excel file to another Excel file. Now I have shown it from one sheet to another sheet. From one Excel file to another Excel file also you can do in the same way. I hope you have liked this video, you have learned something, and I will be very happy you have learned and understood. Thanks for your patience, and of course, if you like this video, you have learned or understood, please like this video on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as much as possible. Thank you once again, and of course I will be very happy you give your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much.